Hello my brothers and sisters, and welcome back to Chris the Butcher. I'm French. As some of you are aware, on Facebook and on Instagram, that our little channel has just grossed over 250,000. That's 250,000 views, lifetime views. Listen, all I want to say to you, my brothers and sisters, that is not possible without you guys. And I love you for it, right? I love you, right? And what I want to do something special. And do you know what I haven't done in a long time? I haven't done any fried chicken. And I mean, it must be at least 18 months since I did any fried chicken. So I come home with some chicken drumsticks, which are down there in an egg wash, right now as I'm speaking. And I thought, right, let's do some fried chicken. So I come home, Lou's gone out, I'm stuck here with Kieran who's asleep on the settee, and I realise I ain't got enough oil. And I've got no flour, but I've got corn flour, so I'm using that. And I'm using a bag of crisps, as you'll have seen in the title. So, without further ado, our 250,000 view video, 250,000 views. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. Enough of me waffling on. Let's crack on. So this is how we're going to start this. As you can see there, I've got 4 chicken drumsticks in a basic egg wash, which is eggs, milk, salt and pepper. I keep turning them because there's not enough in there. Listen, this video is destined to fail before it starts. In there, we have our corn flour. We have some ground cloves, some onion salt, some garlic salt, some marjoram. I didn't have any sage, so I couldn't put no sage in it. Listen, we'll crack on. But that's already prepped, right? Because I made a right mess. It looked like a Colombian opium den when I finished with that corn flour. But this is what we're here for. This is what I'm going to bulk that up with. So let's get down on block and smash the fuck out of these Cheetos. Flamin Hot Twisted Cheetos. Now, I ain't got a blender or anything, so what I'm going to say is just keep moving this around. I don't want to pop the bag, you see. Right, you know what I'm doing. You don't need to see the entire process. So I will see you guys very, very shortly. Hey, don't call me shorty. So, I have my Cheetos. I think at the desired consistency that I want them. So I'm just going to tip them straight in that mixture there. Right? This is going to be interesting, to say the least. Because I want to incorporate all that now in all that corn flour, which this might take just as long as smashing up the bleeding Cheetos. But hey, we'll find out, won't we? Also, I slipped with the cloves, so it might be overcloved. Also, we will find out, won't we? Very, very shortly. Also, before we do crack on, I realised, and I'll put it in now, right? Black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, and we're going for about a teaspoon of smoked paprika. So we'll get that incorporated, and then I'll be back to you. Right, I've been turning my chicken and whatnot in there for the last 25 minutes. It has been in there for about an hour. So, I've been toying. Do I double dip or not? Alright? I'm not sure whether I want to double dip or not. Because I always find it messy. But you know what? I'm going to double dip it. Right. That is my first chicken drumstick. Done. Right? I've got 3 more to do. I'll crack on. And we'll be back with you with this hot oil. Right, my brothers and sisters, that is good enough for me. 180.8 degrees, that oil, according to my infrared JB thermometer. So, as we've got there, we've only got a small pan, because I only had a small amount of oil, so I wanted to get, so it covered the chicken essentially. So I'm going to do 2 drumsticks at a time. I have got 4. And I'm going to do these. They say 12 to 15 minutes, don't they? I'm going to cook these for about 12 minutes. I have got another probe. I will probe them to make sure they're okay, so I don't die. So that's essentially it. So when you see this again now, right? When you see me again, or this chicken again, or anything again, it will be done. So there we have it, brothers and sisters. That is my Cheetos Twisted Flamin Hot Chicken. Now, I have probed every single one, and every single one came to about 81, 82 degrees, which is good enough, because it has to be 79 or over. So, if anything, I've probably overdone them. But we don't care, do we? Because for my next trick, I'm going to be sliding one of these right down me gizzard. My brothers and sisters, there is my Cheeto Flamin' Hot Fried Chicken, which is a special 4-hour, 250,000 lifetime views. I've had a Stella. Right, it's there. The coating looks good. The only thing I have to do now is slide it down my gizzard, isn't it? So, should we go for that? I'm going to bite right into it right now. That coating is superb, brothers and sisters. Don't let that fool you, it's not blood. And Lou's going to kill me because there's shit all over the floor. I better clean it before she comes home, Anna. I love that. I am kidding you not, my brothers and sisters. Listen. If you can hear that, I've got the patio doors open because I've been frying chicken and the kitchen stinks. Right? That, I don't know what them crisps brought to the plate. I don't know what my seasoning or my mixture brought to the plate, but that is some of the best fried chicken I have had in a long, long time. I think you gathered that. If I had to give that a mark out of 10, I'd give it 1 million. Along with a Stella. The Urigella. Or as other people call it, wife beater. Because when I drink too many of them, Lou kicks the fuck out of me. And I probably deserve it. Right, this episode tonight, I am dedicating it to a work colleague of mine called Ryan Scholes, right? The reason being, I asked him, I said, listen, I want to do some fried chicken. What do you suggest? Right? And everything he suggested was fucking dog shit. So I come up with that one myself. But listen, he tried, the lad, didn't he? He certainly tried. But it was shit, Ryan. It was shit, right? It was absolute fucking get. What are you buying for? What the fuck are you buying for, Ryan? And before we go tonight, I just want to say thank you again to all you fantastic brothers and sisters. Because without you, this channel would be fuck all, would it? It wouldn't be nothing. It would just be me in the kitchen talking to a camera by my fucking self. Essentially that is what I'm doing, isn't it? Yeah. But hey, you know what I'm saying, don't I? 250,000 views on our channel so far. That's 250,000. You know when I started and YouTube moved the bars in, you have to have 10,000 views to get monetization. And I'd already had it, I was there at like 10,001. They changed it again, they moved the post again, and I hit it. And the only reason I hit it is because of you guys. You are my family, my brothers, my sisters. Rich is my new adopted dad, Mr. Krasker. I love you, Dad. Steve Dolby is my new adopted, big, much older brother. Isn't that right, Steve? A lot older than me, you were, but he's got a lot more hair than me, the bastard. But anyway, that fried chicken was great. It was good. It was great. As Tony the Tiger would say, great. I liked it. If you liked it, press like, comment, share it on your social media, and subscribe. And guess what? I fucking love you.